Bond. It's your only chance. I'm sick. I just saw something. He's dead!
Can I drop you somewhere?
What was that? That's fun! Shed some light on the situation, 007, by using your thermographic vision.
I don't suppose we could just talk about this. I guess not.
The electricity, Bond. It's your only chance.
Destroy that helicopter, 007. The nanotech prototype cannot remain in enemy hands.
Some flares may help to shake those missiles, 007.
that helicopter get away.
You're a skillful pilot, Mr. Bond, but no match for me.
The structure is protected by those shield generators. You'll need to deal with them before continuing on with your mission. Excellent, 007. The shield is weakening.
Oh, James, you saved my life. How can I ever repay you?
Allow me to take you to dinner. Next time you're in London.
I'd like that. But until then... take that as a small down payment.
I look forward to collecting the rest.
Good morning, darling. I deduced the mission was successful.
All of the nanobots were destroyed, except for one. My gift to you, courtesy of MI6 and James Bond.
Bond. James Bond?
You know him?
He killed Max Zorin. My mentor, my teacher, my friend.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
How ironic. Bond has now planted the seeds for his own destruction. Soon enough, the world will know and fear the name Nikolai Diavolo.
You'll have everything you desire.
Yes, Katya. Everything or nothing.